Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. This feature will significantly enhance your customer experience by allowing them to track their orders easily. So let's get started. First, we need to find an order tracking app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for order tracking. You can see a variety of options here, but today I'm choosing the Aftership order tracking app. It's popular and user-friendly, so let's select it. Click on install, and here I'm going to hit install and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. In this case, it's going to be asking you to verify your identity with a confirmation code to get started. So enter the code sent to the email address displayed on the screen here. Once the Aftership application is installed, you want to open the app from the Shopify admin dashboard. So you can follow the initial setup to configure the app. We will need to connect our shipping carriers and set up tracking notifications. Aftership supports a wide range of carriers, making it easier to integrate with your existing shipping setup. Now, as you can see, it says import your shipping to get started. We need to choose how we would like to import your shipment to the tracking dashboard. So let's go here and connect our store. Choose Shopify, install the app once again and just open. This one should be sending us back into the application once more. But now we are inside the app with the Shopify tracking product. As you can see, we have now the tracking shipment here added. Now, if I get into the tracking app, we can see there is an application account helping us to add a tracking application. So I am going to go for set the track order without the button. The Shopify order confirmation page usually needs to go back into settings. Inside settings, you can see that we have these elements. Let's select checkout. I'm going to scroll a little bit down and make sure that we have enabled to show a link for customers to track their order. Let's go back now into tracking pages. Now in here, we can select a template in order to add it into your store. Here, I have now an embedding element that we can add into a custom page. For example, I have the embedding where using an iframe. So I have this tracking page iframe code. I can copy this code and add it into a new page. For example, let's go back into Shopify. Let's go into online store and here let's go into pages. Inside pages, I am going to create a new page for my order tracking device. I am going to go here into add pages. Let's go for the title, track your order. Now into content, just click here to show HTML. If you go back into Aftership, you can look out for an widget element. Now the widget element can help you add this directly into a landing page URL. For example, this is the actual code I am going to use. This is labeled as track. I can hide the icon. I have the size I am setting to large, align to the center and remove the powered by shipping footer. So I have my code number 1. I am going to copy this code and go back to the page to paste the code and then click the save button. Now by default, the interface looks something like this. The next step will be to add it to our main Shopify store. For that, go to the navigation page just below the pages and you just need to open the main menu. Click on it and then select add menu item. For the search option, search for the pages, which is right here, and click on the order tracking page that we just created. Just click add and you can rearrange this wherever you want. Then hit the save menu button. Once you are done, if I click on the view online store, as you can see, we have a new option on our main menu, which is order tracking. If I click on this is how it will look. So that is the way you can add a tracking page to your Shopify store. Next, we need to add our code 2. To do this, go to the widget, copy code 2, and we have to paste this code below the code 1 on our pages. Click on save. Now let's click the view page button to see if everything has been added successfully. And that's it. Now customers can track their orders by entering their order number or tracking number. So what you need to do here is just to make sure that you use the 2 codes in order to add them directly inside the tracking your order section. You can customize the tracking page later, including adding additional information to the Aftership tracking. At that time, you can also change the background color, text color, icon parameters and overall design. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need any assistance with your Shopify store, please feel free to contact us today. Thanks for watching.